The top brands hide the AI marketing strategies that let them take 90% of the market. In this video, you get a world-class AI marketing secrets with no filter. I pack 1,000 hours of studying the best marketing teams and AI systems into a concentrate. Most companies use AI to generate generic text, while the industry leaders build a closed, autonomous ecosystems. You'll see the exact automation tools and AI agent setups that companies like Amazon and the top SaaS giants run. Watch this to the end to copy these world-class moves into your own business today. So here is the big picture after 1,000 hours of digging. While a small business is opening ChatGPT and ask it to write a post, the world leaders are building something completely different. Full end-to-end autonomous ecosystems. That's the core insight. For the top brands, AI replaces the marketing process itself, and the only human left in the loop is a controller checking the machine. Once you see marketing that way, the 3 secrets I'm about to show you make total sense. Secret 1. Autonomous content pipeline with no human touch. Secret 1 is the content pipeline. The top teams stopped writing prompts by hand a long time ago. They built a system that runs itself. It parses trends on its own. It sends the brief to the AI generators on its own. It spins up hundreds of visual funnels and tests them in real time. And it keeps only the ones bringing in cheap leads. Everything else gets cut automatically. That's a content conveyor belt running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with nobody sitting there hitting generate. While you write one post, their system tested 100 and already known which one wins. Secret 2. Hyper-precise ad personalization. Forget targeting by age and gender. That's the basic stuff everyone has. The top brand trains their own models on the behavior of millions of users. The AI finds hidden patterns a human would never spot. It might learn that a certain person is most likely to buy software on a rainy Thursday right after watching a specific type of video, and it serves them a custom offer at that exact moment. Think about how Amazon knows what to recommend before you do. That's the level. The ads stop feeling like an ad and start feeling like it read your mind. If we talk about my personal experience, I know that personalized email campaigns working much better. In the industry, we have an average conversion rate on email campaigns like 0.3%. With super personalized emails, we can have a conversion rate at around 3%. It's 10 times bigger. Nowadays, we see this pattern that hyper-personalization is working great, and it's what we will see in the near future more. Secret 3 is the sales assistants. The best teams in the world arrest the line between a chatbot and a real person. Their AI agents walk the customer through the entire funnel, from the first click all the way to the closed deal. The agent remembers years of conversation history. It cracks a joke, it reads the customer mood and adjusts. It sells the product with no sales manager involved. For most businesses, this is a piece that quietly replaces a whole team. One agent handling thousands of conversations, never dropping a follow-up. If AI is available to everyone, then any competitors can copy your text or your creative in afternoon. So how do the giants stay ahead? They bet on the one thing we'll never hand over: their own private data. The behavior of their customers, their internal numbers, the stuff they would never paste into open ChatGPT. That's the mode. Here is the rule to write down. Your AI marketing is only as strong as the data you train it on. Everyone has the same tool. The only edge left is the data nobody else can touch. So let's pull the 3 secrets together, because the takeaway is simple. If you want to survive this market, you have to stop treating AI as a one-off trick. Stop opening a fresh chat and testing random prompts. Start building your own AI marketing infrastructure. The pipeline, the personalization, the agents, one piece at a time. On top of your own data. You don't need Amazon's budget to start. You need to start thinking like their system instead of like a person with a chatbot. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next videos.